Yeah. I don't wanna stay here. I've been feeling lonely. I just wanna go away. I feel like running away. I just wanna go away. I just wanna go away. I just wanna go away. I'm feeling hurt like every day. Sad nigga, but I say it on my resume. Every time they ask me if I could, I say I'm okay. No, I'm not okay, I can't take it no more. Man, I don't feel it, now I'm looking for a try. No, I really wanna, that's a problem, I'm not sure.